So hi everyone, the trip for now is Buraco the Padre. So we left from Londrina at 6 a.m. and we have stopped here for breakfast. So the plan is we'll be going to Ponto Grosso and we have took a hotel over there and we'll go check in and then we'll go to Buraco the Padre today. And tomorrow we'll be going to Vila Velha and a waterfall nearby. And currently the temperature is very cold here, so the people will be less over there, so I think we'll be able to enjoy more. So let's see how the trip goes. So it's 1 p.m. now. We checked in at the hotel and we came to Buraco the Padre. So this is the layout of it. So we are currently staying here and we are getting the tickets. So tickets are of 56 reais per person. So I think it will be taking 2 to 3 hours maximum. There is a bus from here and they'll be taking it to the nearest point. And after that we need to take a walk, and so these are the points which we'll be covering. And we have a rope plane, zip line as well, so through which we can go. So for that we need to take the tickets over there. Let's see how it turns out. So we have started our trail. So this is the map they have provided to us. So we have reached the second point through the bus, and now we are taking the main train. So this main train will be leading us to the Buraco the Padre, the main waterfall. So we'll take this, and we also have side trails as well. So we'll be taking that route as well. And finally, we'll be planning to go to the zip line, and from there we'll be descending down to the end point. So this is our plan. The trail, everything looks so neat and so calm and so peaceful over here. So they are maintaining it well actually. So the fees which you are paying 56 is actually is being done for a decent job, and it's worth the money, I guess. And such natural beauty should be preserved in that manner, I guess. So yeah, it's looking good, and the climate is also so soothing, and everything looks fresh over here, so rejuvenating over here. The main waterfall, it was too good, and you can see, as in the videos, it was like so mesmerizing, the way it was coming from the sky, and it was like a cave, it was like a mystery waterfall. And now we are going back to the top of it, so now we can have a view from there. So we are taking another route. This is called the Pine Way. So we are going through this, and then we'll be reaching to the top of it, and we can have a better view from top. and that is going to be this trail. Let's see. For the enchanted waterfall, the mystery waterfall. So this is cold, so the water will be coming from here, and you can see a small cave. So that is the cave from where the water will be falling, and the first place where we went. So that is where the water will be falling. So that is how this waterfall is coming. So this makes it an closed one and a superb view, and making it one of the best waterfalls over here. So this is the place where the people from Christianity were making some practices over here during 16th and 17th centuries. So this place got quite famous, and after that this became so important site that people started coming here whenever they were converted into Christianity. So that is how the place name came, Buraco do Padre, which means priest's hole. So that is how the name came over here. So this is one of the important places, and the view was also great over here. So that's how the name came. So finally we found out. So we have come here for the zip line. So here we need to pay the bill, and it is 55 years. And here we have the safety equipments as well. So now helmet, everything is done. Now we need to climb till there, and from there we'll be directly going to the entrance place. So it's going to be hell of a ride. Let's see. peaceful as well. And now you can see the next guy coming up. So it is like a full stretch from there. Within a minute the ride will be over, but that 1 minute will be like too good. You will be like swinging. It's like a long one-way swing, and it's like with a free fall, and and you won't be feeling much of like afraid of heights and all, because it's not from much height. You can see the ground continuously and see how they are coming. So it will be So that's the zip line for you. So finally we have finished the trip over here. So this is the Buraco, the Padre, and now we'll be going to the Waterfall Marabella, Cachoeira. So this is like another 10 kilometers from here. So first we are planning to go tomorrow, but now it's just 3:30. It hardly took 3 hours for us to complete the entire trail. And so we thought we'll just go there, and they were telling it will be open till 7 p.m. but in the Google Maps it was showing only till 5. So let's see how the scenario is there. If the water is good and everything is clean, so we can go there, and people are telling it's a good place to take shower and all, because here it was too cold and it was water was not too depth, but view everything was good. So let's see how that waterfall turns out. So we have reached the Mariquinha Cachoeira. So this is the waterfall you were talking about. So we came in, the entry here was 20 here per head, and they actually gave a discount since we are 10 people. They told the entry was 25, but they gave us a discount. And this is the waterfall. So it's actually huge. We were not able to go near. There is the border also, and the water was really cold. So we enjoyed a lot. So we just came out of the water, and now we are feeling very cold, but it was like totally enjoyable. And yeah, so it's a well end for the trip. So now we'll be heading back to the hotel, and we'll be having our dinner, and tomorrow we'll be going to Vila Velha, and that's the plan. So for today it was awesome. So we took a nice nap, and we were able to take rest. The hotel was actually quite cheap, and it was more than what we were expected. And now we are leaving for Vila Velha, and we'll be having our lunch now, and then we'll be directly going there. Actually we are planning to go to the waterfall today, but since we went yesterday itself because it was on the route, so today the plan is just Vila Velha. So hopefully let's see, we'll be able to cover all the places. They told it will take around 3 to 4 hours, but we have solid 4 to 5 hours in our hand. So after lunch we'll go there, and then we'll be heading back to Londres now. And this is the place we are staying, São Jose. So we have reached Vila Velha. So this is the place we are talking about. So this is like a geological park. So we have many rock structures, and we have hot air balloons, zip line, tree climbing, many of them are there. But we are just taking the overall trip. So that is 108 for foreigners. But since we have RNE card, they told they'll be giving the discount which is given for the Brazilians. So it is just half the price. So it's 54 reais. So now we'll be we are waiting for the omnibus here, the bus over here. So they'll be taking us to a point, and from there we'll be having a trail, small trail, and we'll be walking around, and we'll be seeing the structures. So that is the plan currently. Oh, and the bus is also arrived. जल्दी चल के बस लेके जा we just completed the trail. So we were seeing all the sculptures over here. So it was all natural ones, and they were showing the pictures over there. They even drew how the shape is formed all, and we were able to see all the structures. And after that we had the forest trail. So that was a 1 kilometer stretch. So overall it will take you around 1 hour to 1.5 hours if you want to take photos and if you want to enjoy the place. And the trail, it's called the Vastuji Trail, and that was the one where you'll be covered with fully like forest one, and you'll be enjoying it. And it was completely closed one, and it was completely safe, and it is well maintained. So the place was pretty good. Tarun, what do you think about the place?
Yeah, I like the place. So it is a one of a kind experience, unique experience. So you should go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. So you won't find such trails much place, and even the sculptures, the natural. So that's the reason it is an ecological park and well maintained. And so that's the reason they are making it very strict in order to preserve it. And I think they are doing a very good job. So this is the Golden Lake. So we can see here surrounding. So it is just a small lake and not much so here. Just if you need to see a lake, and for this we came around 20 minutes from the trail over there, and the next stop will be to the caves. So here we can spend like 5-10 minutes, and we have 15 minutes break for the bus, the shuttle bus. So after that we'll be going to the cave, and we'll be seeing the cave. So here that's it. क्या बोल रहे हैं बस
5.5 मीटर
देखो साओ पोलो का फोटो खींच रहा है
So this is the second point. So we have come here to the caves. So here there are actually 2 caves. So that's what they mentioned over here, and now we are going to the first. So this is the layout. So I think we will be looking around it. We won't be able to go inside. We'll be just having a view from outside. And there is also activities like the zip line is there, and some tree climbing, and activities with the tree like ladders and all other. And zip line is over there as well. So this is the thing over here. So just look out what is over here. So here we can see the cave. I think we are getting, so these are like naturally formed caves. Yeah, I just want to see how it is. I have seeing for the first time the tree climbing separate activity. Because in India we don't have like separately tree climbing.
Those are along the course,
Uh-huh.
and there are different models of bridges. Like
Okay, so this is one over here,
yeah,
and this is one over here.
this is the first one.
Oh, this is the first one.
Yeah,
And we'll have you'll be completing one full square over here.
one full circle is.
Oh, okay. Good. We have finished the trip of Vila Velha. So now we visited the caves and we came back. From there it is around 15 minutes and they will be taking us back to the center. So that is the place from where we bought the tickets all. And now we came to the parking lot and now we'll be leaving to Londrina. We'll be stopping somewhere for dinner and that's it. So that's it for the Ponto Grosso. We enjoyed the weekend. So it's properly for a weekend trip. We can plan very well if you're in Londrina. And that's it.